morning and welcome back to another video. As you can see, it was a very frosty morning. It has been quite cold, but today was I think the peak of frost and it's not melting. We have 12:30 midday and it's still not melting where the sun is shining, so it is pretty cold. Winter is here and yeah, we are gonna continue in the goat barn. As you can see, we had a few days after the frost so that cement could dry, so it's all nice and dry. We do have a bit of a flaking here. I don't know why. I think it was a bit too watery maybe here on the front, but it's okay. It's anyways a slope down, hopefully. Don't worry, some of you were worrying that they will sleep on the cold concrete, but the goats will put their own bedding slowly. They do have another place to sleep now, so we'll put them hay, they will smush it down, and slowly they'll create a mattress for themselves. I don't think we're gonna put any hay for now. As I said, they have another place to sleep, so they're gonna come here to eat, and then slowly the hay will pile up, and yeah, that's gonna be their bed. It's definitely better than sleeping in mud, I would assume. And yeah, so let's get started. Actually, in this video I didn't say what we're gonna do. We are gonna put back up the gates. We do have to do some adjustments, so it's not gonna be just like gates on and done. We have to redo them a bit. Plus we are planning to do another small door for the goats to go in and out, so the whole gate is not open when they're inside, so they kind of have like a small dog door, a goat door that can go in and out. So yeah, let's get started first by pulling this wood out, which I hope is able to come out because the ground is frozen. So I did try to pull it out, so yeah, this side is coming off. Okay. And also we had one goat escape, well, multiple goat escape, and they did a circle. So there is their marks on it already. They did it a few hours after, like the next day after we did it, so yeah. That's what I said. I agree, that's a real
Do you want me to help you?
situation to be in. Okay, gotta see how we're gonna
We'll try
get
to
that out.
have to hammer it a bit maybe.
Yeah, okay, let's get started. Oh, there, thank you for the sound effects.
She's like applauding me.
There we go. Perfect. Nice. Looks pretty good.
So it's a few days later. As you can see, the scenery has changed. You will see that in one of the upcoming videos, but we couldn't finish on the same day because it was really cold. It was -7 or 8, and the battery it was not fully charged, and then any other battery was also empty. So we could not continue that day, and we had to put all the batteries actually inside to charge. They wouldn't charge in the barn. It wasn't working. So yeah, now we have to continue on. So let's get on and see if we can attach this second gate.
Trying to figure out how big to do their dog door.
Is it okay, Limey?
But how much was that?
It's like 90 centimeters if she has her head like that. 1 meter.
She has horns. Okay.
Yeah, I'm checking with the horns.
Okay, so let's do the meter.
Okay.
It started snowing.
Oh,
Well.
it's beautiful snow though starting to fall because it's starting to get cold. The slushy is starting to freeze.
Finished it. It doesn't look like we have done a lot, but we reinforced it all around, and we reinforced the gates themselves from like falling off, and we have made a hole for the goats to go in and out, because before we had both of the gates, actually no, we had only one gate open because they do use this one all year round. But I think this is definitely going to be a better option than the whole gate being open. We did want to put a door here, like the piece we cut off, to have it as a door. But honestly, I don't think we will ever close it because they are using it, as I said, all year round. And we do want to add a curtain, see how that works for them. So going in and out for the very harsh winter. But overall, I don't think a door is really necessary to close it. And yeah, we do have to do some more improvements, but we don't have the time now. We do want to get the goats in as fast as possible. We are freezing. We do have a lot of work at home, so it is not a really priority as long as they do have the place. They have the gates closed and a small hole for them, so not too much snow and wind blows through.
And dry floor.
Yeah, and dry floor. Yeah, imagine having that floor in there. So that is definitely a big upgrade, and we have put them some stone. They do have some bricks here, and yeah, as we said in the past video, hopefully the weather is gonna be good enough one day to dig in the drainage pipe. So yeah, let's fill up the feeders and get them in. And also filling up this feeder, we'll never need to lock them out like we do there, because we can fill it up from this side.
Yeah, that's the magic of this feeder.
Yeah, so we don't ever have to lock them out of there. Actually, from this side, it looks really cute. That little hole.
Wait till they come through it. It'll look even cuter.
Who is excited? Okay, well that's it. Okay, they fit perfect. Go, goaties! They're terrified. Go inside. They're like, what are we doing? Wait, what? Finally!
Get that grass below, but yeah, sure.
I was scared of that. You can guess who is inside. There's Lima. Okay, that's where we'll put a brick in front.
That's not doing much.
I think we have to kind of reinforce it, but yeah, they're all very curious, like shaking a bit because they're like, what are we doing? Do we have everyone? And as I said, we have not put hay on the floor because they're gonna eat and scoop the hay down slowly. They do have a warm place to sleep, so I think it's gonna take them some time, but yeah, they'll definitely get there to make their own bedding. Everyone's going in now. That's a miracle that everyone's in the same place with Lima. Okay, so we have everyone in here. That's a lot of goats.
Oh, I'm scared for this gate. It's like a flood. Oh, it's squeezing way too much.
Yes, because everyone is there because Lima is here. We have to open the other side.
Okay.
Look, do you see that traffic here? And do you see that luxury she has? Yeah, Lima.
Take it. Go, girlie.
Go, goaties.
I think she never came in.
It's open. Go, goaties, go. Go, Spunky, go. I knew it.
It's gonna be Lima's luxury suite.
So, we are done for the day. I cannot feel my feet. I need my proper boots. Now it's time for my proper boots with my little fluff inside. And yeah, as you saw, there's only Lima with her two kids, so it's only 3 goats in there. And the rest is there. So yeah, it might not be the best or fully finished project again. We do have to close the sides and the top. I don't know if you can see it, but it is what it is. It is definitely better than it was before. It's definitely better with closed gates and a small hole instead of a fully open one. So yeah, we have a lot of work inside, so we have to hurry up before my mom comes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Let's go warm up. Can I come in, Gordy? Hi, Amy. Did you hear her?
Yeah.
And at least this one's gonna freeze in.
Yeah, it's gonna freeze and it can stay hard for quite a while.